Welcome to the EdbMails PST to IMAP migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration tool lets you to easily migrate individual or bulk PST files to any IMAP server. Whether you're transferring data to Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, cPanel, or any other IMAP-supported server, EdbMails ensures a smooth and complete migration. It preserves folder structures, email attachments, and metadata throughout the process, allowing you to import large volumes of PST files into your IMAP server without losing any data. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, EdbMails simplifies the process of importing bulk PST files into an IMAP server. The software supports high-speed migration with concurrent mailbox transfers, automatic mailbox mapping, and advanced filtering options to migrate only specific folders or emails. Incremental migration ensures only new and modified data migrates during subsequent migration operations. EdbMails allows you to automatically create a folder in the target IMAP mailbox that matches the name of the source PST file, ensuring that your data remains organized and easily accessible after the migration. Now, let's take a look at the step-by-step process of importing bulk PST files into an IMAP server using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the IMAP migration option from the drop-down list.
Click Let's Go.
Close the pop-up to continue. Click Outlook PST to IMAP. Click Add Files. Select the PST file. Click Open.
Click Continue.
Select the export method.
Click Continue.
Click the Select Hostname button. Select the appropriate hostname for your target IMAP server.
Click Continue.
Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders.
Click Save. Click Continue.
Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it for hassle-free PST to IMAP migration. Visit edbmails.com today.